Hi, it's Sandra, and today I am so excited. And why am I excited? Because I'm actually going to do my first giveaway. So today I am going to tell you what I'm going to give away. So first, the details of the giveaway. So I will be picking a winner on October the 8th, which is on Friday. And then I plan to mail the giveaway on Saturday. So you need to get all of your, if you want to enter in this giveaway, you need to have all of your entries in by October the 7th, which is Thursday, because Friday I'll pick a winner. And then I will announce the winner on Friday. Then what will happen with the logistics is I want you just to send me in the comments your address once I announce the winner. And because all of my messages that go on my website are actually approved, I approve them before it goes on. So once I call out the winner, if you just send me a message, then with your address, then I will mail it. So anybody can participate in this, whether you're inside the United States or outside. So international folks can absolutely enter the contest. So what am I going to give away? Well, I am going to give away the Manny and Me Express Kit for September. So the international folks, if an international folk wins, they probably will not get this by Halloween, but hopefully everybody else will before Halloween. So what is in the Express Kit? So in the Express Kit, you're going to get everything that you get in the full-size kit, except for the polish. So you're going to get everything. So that means that you're going to get the little sparkle stuff that Maniology gave as a free gift. You're going to get the little pineapple that they send, this edible pineapple. It's gummy. It's very delicious. You're going to get the pamphlet on how to stamp. You're going to get the cards with the actual ideas on how they did their manicure, and then a little summary of the actual kit of the theme. And then you're going to get 2 of the stamping plates. So this is the one, if you didn't see the September box, the September box had the little pumpkin guy. It's like a little quilting plate. So we've got all these little pumpkins. We got the little fabric pumpkin here, and a piece of fabric, and spider webs, and the little pictures. Really, really cute plates. So that's all going to come to you. So how do you enter? Okay, so what I want you to do is leave me a comment in the comments and say that you want to enter. And then you also have to be subscribed to my channel to be a participant. So 2 things. You've got to say in the comments that to enter me, and then you've also got to subscribe to my channel. And then we will do the random. I will do the random picking on Friday, and your item will be mailed on Saturday. So here's also a little grand prize that you can actually win: a 12-month Manny and Me subscription. So you get to rub that off when you get it. So all this is going to be in here. Very excited that I'm doing my first giveaway and cannot wait to see how this goes. I've never done a giveaway before, so we'll see. We'll give it a whirl and see how it goes. But yeah, if I call your name as a winner on Friday, October the 8th, then just send me a message on my website, just like you would normally do when you say enter me. And because I actually review all the comments before I let them be posted, then I'll have your address, and I definitely will not be posting that comment with your address on it. If you feel uncomfortable with that, we'll figure out something else. So don't forget, you have to have your entries in by October the 7th, which is Thursday. Friday I will be picking a winner, which is October the 8th. And then Saturday I'll be mailing this item. It is the Manny and Me Express Kit. It does not contain polish. Therefore, even international folks can participate. So, and don't forget to enter. You have to subscribe to my channel, and you just have to say in the comments that you want to be entered into the giveaway. So thanks for watching, and good luck.